welcome back to Garage Works. Got this Woodford Model 22 hot and cold water unit. It's installed in my garage. This is a freeze-proof spigot. So I use this to wash the cars year-round on nicer winter days. And what's nice is this is soft water, so there's a bathroom behind this wall that is pretty easy to tap into the lines to supply this with water. A while back I noticed that there was water that was kind of collecting in this recess right here. So I went online and ordered a repair kit for the vacuum breaker valve. So that's what we're doing today. We're putting that repair kit in, so hopefully it won't leak anymore. All right, let's get started. Okay, here's the kit here. I got it off Amazon. It's RK-22VB. So obviously repair kit, Model 22 vacuum breaker. And it's got 5 parts listed here. And I should add too, you can get this Model 22 in the horizontal, like shown here in the picture, or like I got here, the vertical unit. So what I'll try doing here is take a couple screwdrivers and pry off this top cap. And take some pliers and take this piece off. Okay, and then there's this piece here. And then there's an O-ring in here. Get a screwdriver and get this out. There's the O-ring. And then there's this plastic piece left here, which looks like number 5, the insert. And I'll probably need to get some pliers or something to get this out. Yeah, let me grab some pliers to get this one out. Alright, got that out. I just took a pair of needle nose and was able to pull that out like that. Alright, now we'll just reassemble in reverse order. got this piece, number 5. Just slip in there like that. And the O-ring just goes in there. And you have this piece here, the float assembly. And this piece here, the body, that'll screw on. And you probably want to be careful with this, probably don't need it too tight. It's just pretty thin plastic. Alright, that's just snug down. Okay, and then last is the cap. And that should just clip on like that, and we're done. So now I got one of these collapsible hoses that I hooked to it. So when it would leak is when this is shut off at the other end, or this end, and there's pressure built up. So we'll hook this up and turn the water on and check for leaks. Okay, so I turned it on and it started leaking water, and I realized I had put this piece in like this. So this piece I had upside down, it goes like that. So we'll go ahead and put the body back on and try this again. Alright, and that seems to have taken care of it. Alright, well that is easy to do, so hopefully this will help you out. I'm sure this applies to more than one Woodford model. This is pretty common. So, alright, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe.